Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases and I am so excited because we have 2 new exclusive arts and so much more to go through. I don't know why this is here, but it'll be in the thumbnail picture because I forgot to remove it, but it's the same thing as that. But let's go ahead and start from top to bottom like usual. First things first is we do have a character sheet for this week. It is number 58 and it is Stitch. It was highly requested. And then we do have the color of the week, which I just wanted to mention. If you have any scribblers, I feel like this is like almost the same color. This might be a hair darker. But if you kind of want a comparison, this is like the perfect millennial pink. It's like a slightly lighter. But this is the color of the week. The color of the week is available from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. And there is a buy all bundle option. This one is going to match so much, especially moving into the spring and summer months. But also I use this pink color a lot of times throughout the year, not just in spring and summer. Then we do have scribblers for this week. This week's scribblers is number 29, and these are Little Chef scribblers. So we have these in the normal 6 options available. Perfect for cooking or going out to eat. Adorable. Then we do have the extras from, well, I guess not the extras, the other colors of the book add-on. This was a part of the February mystery. So this just went live. If you want to check out the mystery reveal, it did come, both the mini and ultimate did come with the matte bronze version of this, but I also have it in a couple of other colors. I figured this would be very popular with it being like book themed. So you have a bunch of scripts over here. You have some deco bits and then a quote box that says just one more chapter and then some books for the bottom washi. So it's kind of like making a little themed sheet. You can add this into any kit and it will make it a little bit more bookish. So you could put these on like over top of full boxes to add a little deco. The mystery kit came with the matte bronze one and I believe it was sparkle, and you could totally like add this in, switch things out and make it more of a book theme. But let's go through the different colors that it'll be available in. So you'll have black like I showed, gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and matte bronze. So basically the core plus the fun core and then black. So that is the add-on sheet. And then there is a foil bundle this week. The foil bundles are on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern when the new releases go live until Sunday. And this is gold sparkle. Perfect basic to have on hand for any spread that calls for gold. This was a mystery overstock from, I believe, was it December or November mystery? One of those. It is a mystery overstock. Then we have kits. So I'll show you the first one that is not exclusive first. This is Fiesta. This is art that came out last year and I wanted to use it this year. I love the colors of this, and let me go ahead and flip through this. It is so pretty. I love food boxes and I love churros and corn and quesadillas and tacos and nachos. It's all so good. I love this scene. I love the colors in this. I love the little like Mandarin pop. Like these colors. So stinking pretty. I feel like this would look so pretty with a like magenta or a sparkly green. Like this green would be so fun with this. There's a couple of different greens in shop I think would be really beautiful. Plana Hannah's pink tie-dye would be really pretty with this as well. Or you could do silver, you could do gold, you could do a mixed metal of those two, hollow, sparkly hollow. So pretty. I just love the colors. It's just, I love pink and green together. I am a fan. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is just more kind of like scene boxes, perfect for a quote. And that is the ultimate kit. All of the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate. Let me know what foil you would use with this down below, because I feel like this is one of the ones where you need to do a fun foil. I just feel like it would really bring out the colors and make everything pop. I feel like you could also, there's a lot of like orange through the kit, and orange is like the extra color, but I feel like a sparkly orange foil would be really fun, because sometimes I like doing that where it's not like a color that's in the kit, and especially because it's not a color that's one of the 4 colors, you can kind of pick a color that's like, I don't know if I have any sparkly oranges right here. Let me show you what it would look like. I feel like it doesn't have to match as much. There's like this, which is like a copper, and then there's this, which is like a, is it sparkly? Yeah, this is sparkly orange and star, or even this like copper kind of color. I think is it called copper? I feel like it's kind of like an orange you could use, or like Planet Hannah has like pumpkin or orange. I feel like it'd be really pretty with this as well. So let me show you the add-on options. So you do have the option if you want to add on the doodles, the functional, the ombre, the label, and label 1, or sorry. That's label 1, label 2, and label 3. So this one's like a lighter pink and an orange. So stinking pretty. I think I need to use that in May. Then let's move into the exclusive art. And I am so excited for both of these. They are so fun and two things that I just feel like needed to happen. So first things first is this is fun in the sun. And I wanted to do kind of like just a kit. I was like, I think last year I had like a really fun week outside with the kids. We had just like really good, like not super hot weather. And we just did all of the things. We did water balloons. We did the splash pad. We did like a water table. And it's just so fun. Played in our little playhouse. And I was like, I really wish I had a kit to like mark that. So I feel like it would work for really any time in the summer if you have kiddos or nieces and nephews. Any kids in your life, really. And I love these, again, love these colors. I personally probably would use silver with this. I think it would look really, really stunning with silver. But I also think you could do like matte silver, or you could do gold, you could do rose, you could do hollow. Hollow, sparkly hollow would be really pop as well, or just regular sparkly hollow. But I just love these colors. They're pastel, but they're like almost like a muted pastel, which is really nice. And I am obsessed with this one. And you have the little double box in both the mini and ultimate kit as a freebie. And I just thought, this is the most adorable kit ever. This kit is the reason why I'm like, I want to do pop culture summer. But like then there's like this kit. And I really, really, really want to use it. So I'm like, ah! But also I could use this in May. Because it's like basically May in... It's basically May. It's basically warm in Texas in May. So I feel like I can use this in May and then do pop culture summer for June, July, and August. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. So we have the doodle if you want to add it on. We have the functional. There is the ombre, the label 2. And then there are 2 fashion add-ons. So stinking pretty. I love them all. And that is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then last but certainly not least, I feel like y'all are going to be obsessed with this, and actually I have something that I need to show with it because it's been a minute. But this is a pop culture kit, another one that I want to use for pop culture summer. I feel like I want to use this one in August as like starting to kind of go into the back to school season. And this is Freaky Friday. I am so obsessed. I love this so much. This has been mood boarded for like a year, I think. And that is why Hannah came out with these quotes, the freaky quotes. These came out like a really long time ago, and I knew I needed to pick them up in silver for this kit, and it is finally here, and I love every single thing about this kit. Let me give you a little bit more of a close-up. Freaky Friday was just one of those movies that I watched a million times as a kid. There's a couple in there that I'm like, I feel like would be really, really fun kits to do. I love these colors. I think this would be really fun with sparkly black. Oh, wow, wait. I have a foil bundle you might want to like consider for this one, and I have it in 2 different colors that you may like for it, and that will be coming maybe in like 2 months, and I'll try and prioritize putting it up, but 2 months. Yeah, ish. So if you want to use this in like the summer, I feel like it would be perfect timing. But if you want to use it before, I feel like this would look really nice with, this would look really cool with stars, the star foil bundle. But I feel like this would be really nice with silver. I feel like you could do a matte bronze with this, or even the black sparkly would be really, really pretty with it as well. Ooh, even cheetah, because you have the cheetah, because Planet Hannah has cheetah print underlays. That'd be really cute to do maybe those in black and everything else in silver. But I do have a foil bundle that's coming out that I think will match this so, so, so perfectly. So there is that as well. You can always pick up one and then save it for something else for later. And then you have the mini kit, and then there is the functional if you want to add it on, the doodles, the label, and the ombre. And that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. They will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Again, these 2 kits here are exclusive art, so you won't find them anywhere else. And I am just so excited for all of these. I just need to find spots for them. I wish there was more weeks in the year, because I just feel like sometimes I'm like, I want to use like at least 100 kits a year, but I only have 52 weeks to work with, which is a bummer. But that is everything for this week's new releases. Also, if you're not in the Facebook group, I think I have it linked down below. I will be asking for more color suggestions for colors of the week. I think I only have 2 more left, and then I will need to be doing more. So I will be asking for that. I believe when you see this, I'll be asking for that this week. But otherwise, I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.